The Thermo Scientific NanoDrop Ultra CFL instrument is both a microvolume UV vis spectrophotometer and microvolume fluorometer. It's used by research scientists as well as those on the manufacturing line. The Thermo Scientific Acclaro Pro software is an optional add-on to the NanoDrop Ultra instrument, and it provides increased accuracy for when that's important, such as measuring undiluted monoclonal antibody batches or performing quality control measurements in therapeutic nucleic acid workflows. When using applications in the Acclaro Pro software, you can expect a percent error within 5% across the entire dynamic range, up to 400 mg per mil of IgG or 18,000 nanograms per microliter of single-stranded DNA. Within the Acclaro Pro tab, there are multiple applications for different analytes. In this case, we are going to choose the Protein A280 Pro application. In the setup screen, we are able to select different sample types. Changing the sample type simply changes the extinction coefficient the software uses when calculating the sample concentration. If you wish, you can go into the protein editor and add a custom extinction coefficient and molecular weight for your own protein, and they will show up in the sample type dropdown. For this measurement, I'll choose IgG. As with any UV vis measurement, the first thing we'll do is make a blank measurement. The blank is critical because when the software makes a sample measurement, it compares the light transmitted through the sample to the light transmitted through the blank. To get the most accurate data, you want to ensure the blank solution is the same solution or buffer in which your sample is suspended. Between measurements, all we need to do is wipe the pedestals with a clean and dry laboratory wipe. The NanoDrop Ultra instrument only requires you pipette 1 or 2 microliters of sample onto the pedestal system for measurements. In the case of protein measurements, we do recommend 2 microliters. The NanoDrop Ultra instrument is able to measure highly concentrated samples by varying the distance between the pedestals, essentially changing the light path length. The software can modulate the path lengths between 1 millimeter down to 30 microns. It's at 30 microns that the software is able to measure the highest concentration samples. In this case, the software has calculated an absorbance value of about 423A at 280 nanometers. That's equivalent to about 308 mg per mil of IgG. At this point, we can clean the pedestals to make a new measurement, or we can click End Experiment to export data to a USB stick. If you have a LIMS software, you can use a RESTful API to extract data from the instrument to your LIMS software. If you'd like to learn more about the NanoDrop Ultra instrument or the Acclaro Pro software, please visit us at thermofisher.com/nanodrop.